world's most intelligent video wall controller designed specifically for retail sales of TVs. Now, it's also a 2x8 splitter that handles Ultra HD HDR content, and it's network controlled. So if you're Best Buy, Walmart, or anyone with a slew of TVs on a shelf for sale, well, you're going to want to see what this little box can do for you. Now, most importantly, it's from a company called Gefen. Gefen has been a leader and innovator in signal extension, splitting, and matrixing, well, since about 1999. I mean, this is even before HDMI was on the scene. Remember VGA? Okay, so let's put this box on the bench, and we'll see what's inside. Okay, if you're looking for this unit on the Gefen website, the model number is GTB-UHD600-28S. Let's break that down a bit. I know it's a mouthful. Now, GTB is for Gefen Toolbox line. This is Gefen's collection of converters, splitters, EDID minders, and other tools needed to solve problems and finish installations. UHD 600 lets us know that this box can handle UHD resolutions, 4K for those not playing the acronym game with us today. Now, specifically, 600 speaks to the fact that it's capable of handling enough bandwidth for HDR content. And lastly, the 28S lets us know that this has 2 inputs and 8 outputs and is a splitter. While it has 2 inputs, it's not a matrix. It's actually a true splitter, meaning I have 8 monitors on a shelf and I can split the digital signage content and send it to all 8 monitors simultaneously. Now, the second input, well, it's there as a failover if the signal from the primary signage player goes out. So the unit will automatically switch to the other input. No loss of content on the screen. You always have your content up where the customers can see it. Now, but this is not where the real magic of this unit comes into play. In fact, the worst thing that could ever happen on the sales floor is for a TV to be turned off or on the wrong input, or, let's say a customer was messing with the remote and the menus were up. Or what if the employees even forget to turn them on in the morning when they open the store? So that's where this little box comes in. You see, this box uses CEC, which is Consumer Electronic Control, over the HDMI cable to control each individual TV that's plugged into it. See, here's how it works. See, every couple of minutes, the little black box reaches out over the HDMI cable and asks the TV a series of questions. Are you on? Are you on the right input? Are you awake? So if not, it performs the job by turning the TV on or setting back to the right input if anybody's messed with it. So you can even schedule to have it turn on all the TVs in the morning and all of them off at night and never have to worry about the TVs being ready for customers when they come calling. Now, for locations that might have a mix of 4K TVs and HD TVs on the same shelf, well, our little box here can downscale each output and make sure you're showing the same content on all displays with no additional hardware needed. Lastly, if you're worried that you might have more than 8 TVs to pick from and are wondering if there is a larger version of this, in short, no. See, the design is built small so that you can deploy this in clusters, right? Break down the TV pool by manufacturer size and be able to put different content in these pools, or run a master unit. See, since this is a splitter, right, you can feed each of the clusters from one of these units, and being that all control is network-based, you will control all the units from a single CMS interface. If this is your first introduction to Gefen, then welcome to the party. As I said earlier, they've been building distribution and extension solutions for video since 1999. Their video over IP products are used around the world in some of the largest stadiums, like those you might play football in. Look, video over IP allows the content from digital signage or other media to use the network for distribution so that your content can be seen anywhere there's a network port. Okay, look, that's our bench test for the day, so check out our website for more info on Gefen and our other product lines, or call us to get the latest scoop. We'll see you on the next episode.